Okay, YouTube, it's my duct tape here. I got so many response on to do a bedtime routine. See how good I was, because I got like so many comments on my one. So I decided to do this one. And yeah, so let's get started. But first, I took a shower. As you can see, I showered up. Like, I have my turban with my wet hair. So yeah. So let's get started. The first thing I do is brush my teeth. And I got this neat little shower caddy. Yeah, it's like so neat. I try to keep it neat. I got like tweezers. Yeah, I'll do a video on that. It's in here. Okay, so first thing I do is I brush my teeth. So usually after I'm done brushing my teeth, I wash my hands just a little quick minutes. It feels really smooth and stuff. Okay, next I gotta keep my turban in for about 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes. For 10 minutes, and then I come in here, brush my teeth, and I take it out. Then I hang this up. And I comb my hair to get all those tangles out. It's really frizzy, my comb, because I only have this comb, it's kind of hard, so yeah. Then I brush my hair. Get the extra brushing out there. Okay, then I'm done. Okay, that's done. Okay. Then I go back to the room and I turn on my TV. Turn that on. I take the book that I'm currently reading. So I put my Sims game up. The book that I'm currently reading, The Hunger Games. It's very interesting. I mean, I just started last night. And I love this little bookmark. I mean, it's like so cute. Going. Yeah. That. So, and I'm already on, I started last night. And I'm already on page 28. So yeah, I usually read that. I usually read 10 pages before I go to bed. And then I read about 1 page of the Holy Bible. And then lay down and I kind of play my iPod. So that is my nighttime routine. I know it's not the best because I'm not really trying. So yeah, I'm going to do my morning routine though, but bye.